What up? It's your boy Big Ron. Shit on my face. Yeah, man. I'm out here doing crazy stuff in the garage. I'm just the mask on my head. About to do this experiment. Y'all see this right here? How beat up it is. Saw it on YouTube, how to restore it. So, about to give it a shot, man. About to get all the supplies. This is my windshield wiper fluid reservoir. So I'm about to restore it instead of buying a new one. Man, I got to put on the goggles, all kind of gloves, you know what I'm saying? Be safe, because I got to use this acid to redo the video. I got to use this acid right here. So I'm gonna give it a try, man. Hopefully I don't tear up my skin, burn nothing. Try to restore this little reservoir here. So bear with me. I'll be bringing y'all back in little clips here and there. Got them goggles on. Show y'all as much as I can. Of course, it's Who Dey Nation. Y'all know the Bengals. Don't be a hater. Safety gloves next. I don't know if I did that right. Probably should have had the mask on first. I'm goofy. Or at least bring it down here. Put the goggles on. Man, what am I doing? All right, hold up. Bang. Catch that. Bang. This is not OSHA certified, but man, hold on, I gotta take this off. I ain't ready yet. I'm about to pass out in here. It's 100 degrees outside. I'll be back. Got the safety gloves on. I'm doubling up, so I got two different types of gloves. You see, these are smooth texture, whatever. Then I got these other ones that got a little different type of texture on there. I'm gonna double up on these gloves, so you know what I'm saying? You're messing with acid. The lady in the store told me you gotta be safe. You're messing with acid. So I'm gonna double up on these gloves. My big ass hands can fit in. There we go. Without ripping them. Yeah, buddy. Safety. Bang. Doubled up on the gloves. All right, we about to get to it. First, you have to pour some of the acid fluid in here, and then you shake it up. So I've already done that. So now I'm about to put the cap back on, shake it up, had to tape it, make sure there's no holes. Go out here and shake it up a little bit, and then you pour it out. That was step one. I'll be back. I don't know what I was supposed to do, but I'll go to the next step. Woo! This stuff's strong. All right, y'all, so I done went out there and filled up the bin. I think I need like two more of these jugs. There wasn't enough, so we gotta cover it all up. These are what, gallons? So I probably need about 2 more gallons of this. So I'm about to run and grab some more. But yeah, let me show y'all what I did with it. All right, so let me show y'all what I did. Look at that acid mess up the cement. Man, that's real acid, man. So yeah, put it down in the bucket. Gotta get a couple more to cover up that and fill up the inside of it. So I'm about to go grab a couple more, and then you just let it marinate. So we'll be back. I gotta put a lid on that. We'll be back. What up, y'all? I'm back. Just gonna take this stuff off. I broke a little sweat doing this, but I finally got it all in there, pretty much fully submerged, so you can see it in there. I'll do a couple little shuffles real quick just to make sure it's all the way down. But the container's filled with the acid, so the inside is filled. And then I might have to rotate it at some point just to get that last little piece right there. But so what is it? Hold up. I think it's an 18 to 24-hour process. So that's gonna start now. So here we go. That's the first. And then every probably 6 to 8 hours, I might come out and, give some updates along the way, see how it's looking, see if the color's changing at all, the fluid. Also was dumb me didn't think about it to show y'all the proof, but usually they would use a cleared bin so you can see the dirt change, the water change colors of the bin. But I ain't had no clear bin when I went about to buy one. So, hey man, sometimes you gotta use your ingenuity and make some adjustments. So here we go. We're gonna see how it come out. All right, y'all. We're about the 18-hour mark right now. Yeah, this water here, I mean not water, the fluid that's in there is pretty dirty. I can only imagine. But I don't know if I can tell that it's did anything or not. I don't know. Maybe. I'm gonna move it around a bit. Nah, this jug is definitely clear, and it's doing something. It's doing something. So we gonna see. What up, y'all? Big Ron back on this weird experiment I'm trying. So I'm about to unveil it again. It's been in there about no more than 24 hours probably now. So we gonna see, man. I'm out here trying. So I gotta take it out. Oh, hold up. Gotta put my gloves on. Out here bare-handed. So I'm gonna pull it out. Y'all can see. That's where it's at now. Y'all probably can't tell no difference because I can't either, but let me take it out and see what it look like. All right, y'all, I took the thing out. Let me see. Let y'all look at it. Hold it with the glove. Holding it with the glove. Y'all can see the glove right there, but man, the thing don't look like that. Nah, it do look a little different. I got to do the final stage. Just clean her down on the inside. Clean enough, Got to do the final stage. I'm gonna hit it with hit them little spots with a little brush. And then I'm gonna do the final stage, which is clean it with the hot water and salt. And then it's gonna be what it is, man. It's a windshield wiper fluid reservoir, whatever you wanna call it. It ain't gotta be perfect, but I just wanted to try the experiment. I probably spent more money on the experiment than I could if I would have just bought a brand new one, but so it wouldn't have been an original 1971 like this one is. You feel me? Somebody gonna hate, but sometimes you gotta have fun. It's a long process building these cars. Expensive, tedious, stupid. So I figured why not have some fun with a part of it, you know what I'm saying? So that's it. I'm about to go clean it up, do the last stage. However it come out, it's how it come out. All right, y'all, so I done scrubbed it down, wiped it off. Here's looking before the final step. There it is, before the final step. One more step, we're gonna see how she come out. She looking good though. She looking good though. All right, y'all. Here's the final product. She's pretty clear, man.
Beautiful thing. I don't care if you love Tennessee or despise Tennessee. That particular tradition we have on Saturday mornings when we're not.
She's pretty clear.
Tough to replicate. Speaking of that game, Let's break it down. As God intended us to do on Tuesday nights.
I like it. I ain't mad.
Georgia, Tennessee, Saturday, 3:30 Eastern kickoff. Right
I'm not mad at that at all.
Windshield Stadium on ABC. The market has corrected on this one.
I'm not mad at that at all, y'all.
On your odds board,
They don't look like the YouTube video, but
Georgia, -3.5. Well,
they
they
look good enough to me.
They were 7.5 points.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Big Ron. So you seen the process of that video. I'm out here at night making people mad, but it's my house. But I'm about to show y'all where that jug actually goes. It's not going in this car, it's going in my 71 hardtop. But you know, got that thing right there. Coming soon. 75 Caprice Vert. But I'm gonna show y'all where it goes in this one because it's still in this car. But there it go right there. That's the reservoir that I just cleaned for the other car. It actually looked better in this one, but no, that one's cool. But that's where it goes. That's the jug. Connects over there to the windshield wiper pump and motor. And then the fluid goes in there. So, just wanted to give y'all an idea where that go. Big Ron, hey, I know y'all been like, man, this dude ain't made no videos. So, I haven't, but I'm about to make some now. I got a lot of footage on the 71 hardtop, a lot of videos saved up, so I've been collecting them. It's time for me to start being lazy and make some more videos. But get ready, tune back in to your boy. Oh, let me give you a little bit better shot. There you go right there, what it look like. But boy, Big Ron again, we back. More videos. Stand by for more footage. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, resubscribe if you quit on my page. I'm back though. Yeah.